Alrighty, welcome guys to a demonstration of this program that I wrote up for you guys. Not for you guys, for me / anyone who might use it. This is mostly going to be used for people who constantly watch Twitch and chat in it / maybe you're a moderator or something. You need to constantly say a line after something happens, like say someone subscribes, you throw up that streamer's main emote and the person who subscribed, things like that. This will quicken that process for you. So I'm going to show you what it does. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to pretty much let it speak for itself, throwing in little things here and there. This is what you have when you extract a folder, the file. Obviously what you want to focus on is the .exe. So we're going to go ahead and double click that. I'm going to close this out because we no longer need it. And we have it down here in the taskbar now. The options you have in here are exit and options, and then in options there's enabled and show GUI. The reason you can enable / disable the program is so you don't have to completely exit out of it. You can leave it running all the time. But this program utilizes the number keypad 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So maybe sometimes you want to use those keys in the natural state without using what the program has them assigned for. I'll show you what I mean by that in just a little bit. So we'll go to show GUI. Right now it says default profile. It will for you as well. This is just so there's no errors when the program first runs and everything like that. We're going to go ahead and go into change profiles, because what we have in there is new profile, load profile, and delete profile. And then we have a drop down list that shows all of our current profiles that we have. We're going to go ahead and create a new profile. Yes, I would like to create a new profile. What would you like to name this new profile? Banny is what I would like to name this new profile. Hit OK. Profile created. Alrighty. So now in our profile list we have Banny, we have default profile, and if we exit out of this, we see our current profile is our new profile that we just loaded. So I'm going to go back into change profiles. I'm going to delete a profile. Would you like to remove a profile? Yes. It's going to open up this folder where all of the profiles are kept. I'm going to go ahead and select default profile, select it. Yes. I do not want it anymore. Do not need that anymore. So now we have the Banny profile only, and that's the only one I need right now. So that's how you do that. If you want to load a new profile, you just go to load profile, click the one you want, open it up, open up the .ini file that's inside of there, click open. It's going to open it, but I've already got it loaded, so that doesn't really matter. It doesn't change anything. So the next thing we have is edit profile. We have a key list. And then in this list is obviously our options. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, blah, blah, blah. That is not your keys on the top of your keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the numpad keys over here on the right-hand side of the keyboard. If you don't have this, if you're on a laptop or something, I do apologize. It sucks. Won't help you any. I'm sorry. So what we can do on this is select one and then click View Key Binding. And since I don't have anything assigned to it at the moment, it's not going to show me anything. So that's fine. So what we're going to do now is we're going to select which one. I'm going to go ahead and do 0, first one, edit key binding. What would you like to assign to this key? Please note some special characters such as exclamation point and some others will not work. You'll just have to trial and error, see which ones work for you, see which ones won't. So let's say that you like a specific emote or just a text a line. One of his is Banny Deep, and that's an emote right there. And then you can say he's going in, and then do Banny Deep again, and then hit OK. So now we have the 0 key list again, view key binding, and instead it being blank, we now have our text that we put in there. I'm going to go ahead and just assign another one to 1 real quick. Test. Throw that in there. And then if we switch back and forth, we see that these are changing now. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this and exit out of this. And then I'm going to go on here and I'm going to type my 0 key. And there we go. It puts it out there. And then all you have to do is hit enter into Twitch chat and your emote, spam, whatever you want to do, kappa spam is in there. And then if I hit 1 instead, it goes to my second one. And now, oh, that's not good. Sorry about that. I accidentally switched to overlays over there. So yeah, and now I don't have to copy paste anything. All I have to do is press one key for each one of those that I want. Once again, throwing that out there. We'll put up my big spam thing. And then all you have to do, if you don't want to use it, go to Options, Enabled. And now, if I hit that same 0 key, it prints out the 0, the numpad 0, like it's supposed to by default. And that's all there is to it. There's not much. It's not hard to use. It's pretty damn easy. And by doing this, you can have up to 9 special messages that you want assigned to one specific key. And you can have unlimited amount of profiles for however many streams you go to, or whatever the fuck you want to do with it. So thanks for watching, and enjoy.